Now, repeat after me. Conundrum. Conundrum. Meaning. Conundrum means a confusing or difficult problem or question. In a sentence. Deciding between two great job offers was quite the conundrum. Now it's your turn. Can you use conundrum in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms. Dilemma. Puzzle. Antonyms. Solution. Clarity. Part of speech. Conundrum is a noun.
Meaning. Objective refers to something based on facts, free from personal feelings or opinions. Subjective refers to something influenced by personal feelings, tastes, or opinions. In a sentence, the judge's decision must be objective and based solely on the evidence. Here, objective means unbiased and factual. Her review of the movie was subjective as it reflected her personal taste. Here, subjective means influenced by personal opinion. Quick tip. Use objective for factual and unbiased statements and subjective for personal and opinion-based views.
Now repeat after me. Apprehension. 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 Meaning. Apprehension means a feeling of fear or anxiety about something that might happen in the future. In a sentence, she felt a sense of apprehension before starting her new job. Now it's your turn. Can you use apprehension in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms. Anxiety. Unease. Antonyms. Confidence. Assurance. Part of speech. Apprehension is a noun.
Ambiguity. Now repeat after me. Ambiguity. 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 Meaning. Ambiguity is the quality of being unclear or having more than one possible meaning, making something open to interpretation. In a sentence, the lawyer's statement was full of ambiguity, leaving everyone confused. Here, ambiguity refers to the unclear nature of the statement. Let's try another example. The poem's ambiguity allows readers to interpret it in many different ways. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using ambiguity. Some related terms for ambiguity are vagueness, lack of clarity or precision, uncertainty, doubt or lack of clarity. Antonyms. The opposite of ambiguity would be clarity, clear and precise meaning, certainty, being sure or definite. Part of speech. Ambiguity is a noun referring to the quality of being unclear or having multiple interpretations. Procrastination. Now repeat after me. Procrastination. 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 Meaning. Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing something that needs to be done, often unnecessarily. In a sentence, his procrastination caused him to miss the deadline for his assignment. Here, procrastination refers to his delay in completing the task. Let's try another example. She regretted her procrastination when she had to rush through her work at the last minute. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using procrastination. Synonyms: delay, postponement. Antonyms: promptness, diligence. Procrastination is a noun, referring to the act of delaying or putting off tasks. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.